In this shoutout review, I'm going to show you everything you need to know about this video tool. If you have any questions, please comment them below, and I'll also leave a discounted link so you can always get your money's worth for shoutout. Shoutout lets you automatically generate branded video content featuring real customer testimonials. Okay, so once you log in to Shoutout, it asks you who you are and what you do, and it'll ask you to give your project a name. So I'm going to go ahead and call this test project, and then if we go ahead and click on next, that's then going to create our project for us. So we can now create and edit our video. We can copy and send the invite link, scan the QR code, or embed a widget to capture videos. Press record or upload a file to record yourself. Then view, edit, and share your videos. So I'm going to go ahead and click on finished. Okay, so this has just created an automated video for us. I'm just going to go ahead and give this a watch. It's just a short 8-second video.
Hello, this is your shout-out test video.
And as we can see, that's our test video. Now we have a couple of options here. We have the option of modify, and this takes us over to an editor section. So the first section we've got is logo. Here, you could upload your own logo as a PNG file, you could set it as the default, or you could choose from the list. And the list here has got loads of different logos. As we can see, we've got apologies, congratulations, deepest sympathy, get well soon, good luck. I'm just going to go for that one. But you can also select, so there's announcements, business, celebrations, and messages. The next section we've got is music. So here you could turn music off, or you could upload your own music as an MP3 file, or we can select from the list. So we could filter it from corporate, energetic, quirky, romantic, somber, tropical, uplifting, rock, heavy, Christmas, and celebration. And as we can see, we've got quite a few different examples here. So I'm liking that one, so I'm going to go for that. It's also worth noting as well that you have a music volume setting. So we've got low, medium, high, or very high. I'm going to leave this on medium. Next up is intro. So on this section, we've got the video section. So we have a few different settings here where we can trim it to a particular length. We could also add a zoom, and then you can obviously play it, skip forwards, backwards, turn the sound off, or turn the music off. So on this video section here, we have a few options. There's a couple of categories on this drop down. We've got shout out, arts, business, education, health, hospitality, real estate, retail, trade, shout out cards, location, legacy, colours, or personal. So I've just put it on business and then reviews, as we're doing a review now. And then we've got this example here. That's absolutely fine, so I'm going to go for that one. Next to video, we have frame. We can obviously turn this off, or we can choose from the list. So we've got loads of different examples here. We've got categories, creative, business, general, or teleconferencing, which is dual screen, colour, type, and style. I'm going to go for this one here. Next, we have logo. So you can tick place logo on intro. Obviously, we selected this logo earlier, and I could just drag this around and place that in the middle and resize it. We also have text, where we could click the plus there and we could add some text. We've got the standard text settings there. Font, where you can select a font, the size, the colour, highlight, the alignment, and contributor input. Once we're happy there, we could go on save and exit, and that's just going to process a preview for us. We also have the option of clone, if we wanted to clone this, disable, or delete. Once that's processed, I'm going to come back to that. Next to it over here, we have capture tools, where we have the option of a QR code, copy invite link, embed widget, email invite, record video, or upload clips. So if I went on record video, that would take us over to here. We could go on start, and that's going to ask to use our camera and microphone, and we could record something with our webcam. There's also the option to upload clips, where you can set a label and upload your own video. Next to there, we have settings. Here you could set your video options. So you could set a description. You could set if subtitles are visible by default, the maximum user video duration, if approval is needed, the invite link mode, so finished video, clip, or multiple clips and images, invite link settings, request contributor information, and email notifications. Next to settings, we have stats. So this gives us landed, started, uploaded, and finished. So obviously we've just got the one video, so if we go over landed, that is the number of times the upload link has been viewed. We've got ours as 1, and then started, the number of people who clicked start on the upload link. As we can also see to the left, our video has now finished processing. So if we click on there and let's give it a watch, and there we go, we can see right at the beginning, it's got our logo, our intro we chose, and our text. Below there, we have this section here where we've got a videos tab, a data tab, where once we've got videos to display, we can actually download the data as a CSV file. We also have playlists. Where you could click on new playlist and add a few videos into there. Got make compilation, where your videos and clips will show, and you can add them together. As we can see, we've got a timeline there. So you could add them all together and compile them into a compilation. And then finally, we have shares. This is obviously just for one project. If you wanted to create a new project, you just go ahead and click on new project, and you can select if you wanted to make a shout out video, a Q&A video, or a review video. So if you wanted to make a Q&A video, you could send a link to record and upload interview answers that get automatically added to your template and turned into a Q&A video. You also have the options to choose if the video is landscape, portrait, square cropped, or square fitted. And here for the Q&A video, you can actually put your questions in that you want to ask contributors. Then if you click on next, you can name your project and it will create this as a new project. There we've got the same options where we can select our logo, music, our intro, our contributor page where we can ask questions, our outro, any transitions, video options, and sharing options. With the sharing options, you can actually add your own custom title, a sharing description, and sharing hashtags. And that's pretty much everything. So what did I think of ShoutOut? ShoutOut made it really easy to create branded video content. Although I didn't have any of my own testimonials to add, you could see how easy it was to create a video. I love the whole range of customization options and the choice of logos and music. ShoutOut was a great app and I would definitely recommend it. Thank you very much, and I'll see you next time.